Okay, we've got all three babies on this perch. Mom and Dad are up here. I have to confess, only one of the babies flew up to this perch. The other two I put up there because they were huddled on the floor of the cage. They need to learn how to perch. The one that's closest to the camera, he's the one that flew up on his own. The other two have been kind of, I think there's one bird that was born first, and I think it's the one closest to the camera. The other two are about as equally uncoordinated. They're one day behind the other baby. There's Dad. He's guarding them, it seems. They didn't like it very much that I picked the babies up and put them on the perch. Contrary to what some people think, canaries are not parakeets, and you cannot really hand tame a canary unless you get them when they're really, really small and hand feed them. But one of those little guys sat on my hand for a long time. He didn't want to go up on the perch. Well, I think we're going to go to sleep now that we're not on the floor of the cage. That's a good thing. So, just wanted to film the little guys while they're still in their little, barely hanging onto the perch stage. That one there, he probably would turn around if he could. The one in the back. But probably afraid to. He might lose his footing and fall. When Dad goes up with some food for them, they'll probably have a mad scramble and somebody will fall then. But anyway, I just wanted to capture the three of them on the perch. I thought that was really cute, even though I had to put them there. There's Mom up there. So 5 little birds in this little cage. I won't even say, I don't even know how many birds I have. There's 5. And little hawk, that's 6. And down here I have my 2 parakeets, 7, 8. And my lovebird, 9. And up here I have 1 hen, 10. And the American Singer pair, 11, 12, and the new baby, who's right here, 13. See, he has no trouble sitting on the perch. 13, okay, coming down here. 14. There's the boy and the girl is in the nest, that's 15. I have this one who's building a nest, that's my white recessive, 16. And the yellow frost male, 17. In this cage we have everybody, well, not everybody else, but a lot. Okay. We have 4 finches, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have the 2 red mosaics, 22, 23. Hazel, 24. And I believe both of the new babies, 25, 26. And 2 roller males, 27, 28. And in here I have 2 canaries, 29, 30. I'm guessing I have 12 finches, 42. In the other room I have 2 finches, 44, and I have 4 canaries, 48. And then I have the cockatiel mango right here, 49. So 49 birds if I'm counting remotely correctly. So And I won't even say how many eggs I've got going. I've got at least one fertilized egg on in the other room. Cody's mom over here, or Cody's mom, the hen, is building another nest. Somebody shoot me. So anyway, okay, that's the end.